Hello everyone, we're going to be looking at how to edit the Contact Us section near the bottom of this page. So what we're going to do is we're going to first enable a visual builder, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Notice here we have the Contact Us section. Again, roll over the section. Notice we have the module settings pop up, so let's click on the gear. In here we have the different fields that we're going to be working with on this form. Do we want to display the CAPTCHA? Yes, it's nice to have a CAPTCHA on there because then it reduces the amount of spam that you would receive, especially from robots. And then we would have an email address. Now this email address could be anything that you want, so it could be, possibly something like, let's just make a fake one up. That would be the email where the form information will be sent. Again, the title of this contact form, it could be almost anything that you want. Right now it's Contact Us, and we'll just put contact here. So you can see that now that's changed. Again, we have a message pattern. Now there's a number of different things that you have extra here. You can have enable a redirect. Now the redirect would actually take it to a page that you'd like to go to other than the page it's on. So if you have a thank you page, you could have something like your blog name / thank you for your submission or something like that. If you're not using the redirect, you just click on there. So it's no. So the success message would say successfully sent message. So you could have almost anything you'd like in this section. Successfully sent message is fine for now. Okay, so just play with the settings. You need to have your email address in here, and that's important. If you want to have the CAPTCHA, you want that also. Again, we have the different form fields. Now you could have those set up any way you want. If you want to change a form field and say for instance, if you want this as being full name, we click the gear. And all you'd have to do is put in full name, the title of that text input, and then the type is an input field. There's like an email field text area. The input field is basically you see here. It's like where the name is right now. Email field is obvious. The text area field, that's an area where you can actually put in a number of characters. We can have this made as a full width if we want, or we could have it, or we just have it turned off. Right now we have it turned off. Okay, so to save this form right now, all we have to do is click the check mark, save changes, and then click the check mark again, save changes. Now we want to go to the three dots. We want to expand settings and then click save. Once you see the check mark, you know that this has been saved. Now that you know how to make these edits using the Visual Builder, let me show you how to make the exact same edits using the dashboard. You can use either method for making your edits. It's just a matter of personal preference. So now let's go to the dashboard. We're going to click on the edit page. What we're going to do now is we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for contact form. This is the module contact form. See the three dashes? Just click on the three dashes to edit the module, and we'll change this back to name. So what we're going to do is click on the three dashes again. That's editing that form field. We're going to just change it specifically to name. You could actually change the title to whichever you would like. Then the type of field it is actually an input field. And is the field required? Yes or no? So just remember that. Most often you want to have the name and email address as being required. That's how we edit the form settings. Now what we're going to do is click on save, and that will take us back to the contact form module settings. And then again, we're going to save and exit. Once we've saved and exited from the contact form, we're going to go to update. Now we have to update because if we don't update, we're not going to save all the changes that we made on that form. Okay, click update. Now what we want to do is check the page and see the change on the form. So let's click the permalink here. That'll take us to the home page again. Now once we're on the home page, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we'll see the contact form. Notice its name here again, and then email address and message. We have the CAPTCHA form where you'd have to type in your number there. Then you'd have to click submit. So that's it for this video. Now we'll look forward to seeing the next video. See you on the next one.